for their people there. For the earth will be fulfilled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord as waters.
Covers.
As waters covers the sea. How about verse 14? For the earth will be filled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord as the water covers.
Very good.
About for her to be filled with the glory of the Lord, as the water fills the sea.
For the earth will be filled with the glory of the Lord. And the waters Amen.
Lahat ng tao ng mundo ay mapupuno ng mga naman.
Amen.
Lahat ng tao ay mapupuno ng mga naman. The earth will fill with the knowledge of the Lord as the sea covers, as the water covers. The earth shall be filled with the knowledge of the Lord, of the glory of the Lord. The sea, the waters cover our sea. For the earth will fill, for the earth will fill with. Ganso na to. Tulad kami. Filled with the knowledge of the glorious Lord. As the waters cover the sea.
For the earth will be filled of the glory of the Lord. As the cover of
Bigyan mo lang.
for the earth will be filled of the knowledge, the glory of the Lord, as the water cover the sea.
Up to 14. For the earth shall be filled with the knowledge of the glory of the Lord as the water covers.
Paano mo mapapaliwanag yan sa seasons of your life?
Dito po, nakapalog po yan sa season na yan, yung naranasan mo po yung sin, yung frustration, yung depression, anxiety, na nagkakos lang po bakit ulit-ulit na lang yung naranasan natin na panghihinayang sa mga opportunities at saka mga hindi mo po nagawa na parang hindi mo nalabas yung potential mo po. And then, kapag po naman siyempre po, po-point out natin sa sarili natin na it's time to, yung magkaroon ng apology sa sarili, na this time, magkaroon ng pagbabago this time, na hindi ka na mabalik sa konti-konti mo mabawasan yung mga nakagawin mo.
Pag po magsimula, paanalan na rin po sa mga bata natin. Kasi daw, huwag daw kayo magdamo kasi makukulong kayo. Pag makulong kayo, pag nakulong kayo, lalagin kayo sa kulungan kasi namimiss niyo yung tayo.
Ano daw mong isipin? Hindi maliit ang trabaho ng bahay. Pero naman na, meron ng peace, love, tapos hope, then nakakarelax na. Ayun muna. Ayun muna. Then second, yung itlog, parang yung gate ng mga tao na naglalamig, bigat siya, tapos yun.
Season of reflection. Kasi before naman po tayo mag-dumating sa transformation, yung nakuha ng greatest blessing ni Lord is we need to reflect it sa naging buhay natin and yung walk natin